Hello everyone, today we are going to be going through how to assemble the Ikea Ivar chair. Now, the Ivar is a very simple assembly, however this guide should hopefully explain it thoroughly step by step. First of course you're going to want to collect your flat pack from your closest Ikea and bring it home. Now that you have it, the Ivar chair is all yours. Now we just need to build it. First off, grab a knife and carefully slice open the box on all sides. Now once your box is open, you will find the assembly manual. If for whatever reason you need another copy of this, you can do so online via the link I provided down in the description. But I will be covering each step in this video regardless. Open up your bag of nuts and bolts. There should be 4 small screws, 4 white pegs, 1 metal lever, 17 wooden pegs, and 6 long screws. Your first step is to insert the small white pegs into the holes of the side of the chair as shown. Then proceed to grab the long wooden planks and insert the wooden pegs into each of them. You should end up with 1 wooden peg spare. Next up is to insert the wooden planks into the sides as shown, making sure that all the curved ones are preserved for the top of the chair and all the flat ones are used further down. Next, simply place the other side on top of the sticking up planks and make sure it is connected well and strong. This next step will require the lever and the long screws. Simply take the screws and put them in the pre-drilled holes on the outsides of the chair, and screw them in tightly using the lever. This step will require a screwdriver, which does not actually come with the chair, but the 4 small screws we saw earlier do. Place the seat of the chair on the frame and flip the chair upside down, so you can access the white pegs underneath. Carefully place the screws inside of the holes. The chair does not come with these holes pre-drilled, so just apply some force with the screwdriver and the screws should sink into the soft wood perfectly fine. And that is it, your Ikea Ivar chair is fully complete. Feel free to sit down with pride. However, for the sake of safety, make sure that all the screws are screwed far in and tight, so the chair retains its rigidity and is strong. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I hope your Ivar chair serves you well. Thank you very much for watching.